Bullish, this is Wish. I need to make sure I check the date on everything I buy now after last video. I don't know. I guess I'll do all of these. Okay, I have 6 things, so I'll go one by one. I have mint Oreo chocolate bars. I'll do chocolate, not chocolate. Oh, actually, I don't have much chocolate to do with that. No, okay, not Oreo first. We'll do. We'll do Skwinklote. I don't know. We'll do this one first. Then Oreo. Then Mike and Ike's buttered popcorn. Then Whatchamacallit. Oh, actually, whatever. Screw it. We're just doing this. Maple Airhead. And Cherry Cola Twizzlers. Pull and peel. Okay? I'll list them in the description, and I'll timestamp all of them if you want to skip to a certain one. Okay? So, Skwinklote? So it is pineapple flavor hot candy strip with tamarind flavor filling. Okay. I don't see a date on this, which worries me a bit, because this is also from Sugar Mountain. So I don't know if you could see this either. Nutritional facts? Yeah, it's hardly noticeable. And oh, best before, lot number, and best before printed on package. What? What package? The box this came in? You asshole. Shit. Where's this from, actually? Not for children 3 or under. Why? Mexico. Of course it's Mexican. Tamarind is always Mexican. I don't know. I guess that's the thing there. Wow. When I first saw tamarind and Tony was with me, he's like, oh, you know, back at home, we love these so much. So this is what it looks like. There's something happening outside, I don't know. It's sticky to the touch, by the way. So don't grab it, buy it. There's the coating outside is salt. I don't know if you could see that too well. And you get the pineapple taste, and the tamarind gives it a nice sweetness to it, caramel kind of. I'm not a big fan of tamarind so far, but this is actually pretty good. I like it. So get it to try it. That's my rating for that. Milka mint Oreo. Okay, this I was excited when I saw this. I'm like, what? So it contains hazelnut paste. 2019. Thank you for having the date. Also, that tamarind thing has an acidic aftertaste kind of. I guess it's from the pineapple. It's not unpleasant, but it's there. Just thought you should know. Oh, that was the ingredients and nutritional facts. There's 2 of them. I don't know. This is from Ukraine. So. Oh, looks like the picture. Nice minty smell to that. The whole time when you're tasting that, you get the whole time the minty taste to it. But the Oreo bits, like every once in a while, pops in with the flavor, and sometimes you get the subtle sweetness of the chocolate. It's really nice. Milka is pretty like hit and miss, but mostly so far it's been hits. Well, actually, except that chocolate with the bubbles in there or whatever. That was weird. Mike and Ike's buttered popcorn, featured flavor. Best before 2019. That's nice. So they had other Mike and Ike's. They had like tropical heat and stuff like that, which honestly, you could, if you want, I'll whore myself out for tropical Mike and Ike's. They're that good, man. But let's just open. There's a Mike and Ike in the way. Damn it. You can't really smell it from the coating, so I'm gonna pinch it so you could smell it. Oh wow, that's one hell of a smell. Yeah, it does totally smell like buttered popcorn. So, I do not like Jelly Belly buttered popcorn because when you get assorted Jelly Bellies, they shouldn't put that in there, because if you're like grabbing like two at a time or whatever and nom, and then you get like that buttered popcorn, it ruins any other flavor it's with. But when it's alone, I don't mind it. Let's see. It tastes like a buttered popcorn Jelly Belly. It's nice, but these are way more chewier and stickier, so like it sticks to your teeth and stuff. So it takes a while to eat. But honestly, tropical Mike and Ike's is where it's at. These, get them, try them, I guess. Now, what's this? Whatchamacallit? It's deliciously crispy, like it says there. Made with chocolate, peanut flavored crisps, and caramel. Sounds pretty good. Nutritional facts. Barcode. Expiry date 2019. Thank Christ. Oh, it's Hershey's. Hershey's USA. This is super faded. Or at least looks super faded. There you go. Hershey. Hard to spell, easy to love. That's a nice slogan. I'm not the biggest fan of Hershey's. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean that. Hershey Gold. Let's try her out. Smells like Hershey chocolate. That's a good thing. 1 second. It's like it's missing something. If you had nuts in this, like peanuts, it might be better. But then it'll just taste like a O. Henry bar. So, the caramel crisps is really crispy. Like, it's like you smashed up like crunchy Cheetos and you're eating that. Like, not the taste, but like the texture. It's interesting. I don't think it's that good. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of Hershey chocolate, but their white chocolate and like their gold. So cookies and cream is amazing. Their white chocolate's amazing. Their gold is amazing. But anything to do with like their darker or milk chocolate, I don't think they're that good. I don't know. I'm not a big Hershey guy. It's not because they're American. Of course not. But I don't know. It's not as good as the other, like Milka or Nestle or Cadbury. I'm sorry, Hershey. I still love you. I don't remember I found this. I think it was also... Oh, the Whatchamacallit was from Sugar Mountain at Von Mills. I'm pretty sure this was there too. Actually, no, it wasn't. Where the hell? Dollarama, maybe? It's expired? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Oh, okay. It's so close. It's like a month away, pretty much. So, Airheads is American. Focus, please. There you go. There's nutritional effects is on the essay. Focus. Oh, excuse me. Let's try it out. As a Canadian, I'll tell you if this is actually maple syrup. Enough of the fake garbage. Maple syrup you buy in glass jars, mason jars, during maple syrup festivals, which is a real thing in Canada. But that smells nice. It smells like maple syrup candy. I was like, let me rinse my mouth off. I still taste chocolate, Hershey chocolate, so I don't want it to get like negative points for that. Refreshing. Okay, let's see what this is all about, eh? It's sweet, but not sweet. It has like a brown sugar sweetness to it. It doesn't really taste like maple syrup. The smell and like the first hint you get when you put it in your mouth is maple syrupy, but it's not actual maple syrup. It's artificial. This is disgusting. How dare they? How dare they say it's maple syrup? It's obviously not maple syrup. This offends me deeply. I'm triggered. Disgusting. Fuck off. Sorry, I knocked the camera. Okay, I'll say try it. If you're interested, try it. But it's not that good. It's not good. There's like these like maple leaf shaped maple syrup candies, which is actually really good. Come to Canada and get those, I guess. Limited edition cherry cola. Twizzlers. Pull and peel. So this was also from Dollarama. So let me see if this expiry date. I don't see anything. Oh, well, it's probably good. It tastes like dirt. Oh no. Oh, 2019. Good news, everyone. It's not expired. This is from Hershey, Canada. Oh wait, was Whatchamacallit Hershey, Canada? No, this one's USA. Okay, how do you do this? Is anything here? Yeah, okay. There we go. Oh, I have like a headache. Maybe it's all the expired pop I drank. Okay. Okay, it did come up, but that looks weird. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, buddy. Oh. I don't know if they exist, the gummy colas, like they taste like cola. If they had like cherry cola ones, I don't know if those exist. And you made a Twizzler out of it. Mmm. The texture's a bit waxy because it's the pull and peel Twizzlers. They're not as good as regular Twizzlers. Very weird and interesting though. I like it. Get it to try it. It's not good enough that I say go get it for sure. Okay. Best thing I had. Oreo. Oreo's the best. Worst thing. That. Right there. Airhead. That was the worst. But it's the worst out of the best ones, you know? Nothing here was bad. And that's a good thing. So, I don't know. I think this made up for the expiring, disgusting, dirt-tasting soda that I tried. Yeah, I think so. So, if you like this video, thumbs up, or I don't know, is it called like or thumbs up? I don't know, man. I think it's like, because that's what everyone else says. So like the video, dislike if you didn't like it, comment if you actually think that's actually maple syrup, or if you want to just talk about something. I don't know. So far, I responded to every comment, but that's like 2 comments. So, and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay. Thanks for watching. Wish out.